Hello everyone, this is Marshall GIttler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you today's trading ideas. First off, the pound may be overbought in my view. The markets pushed up sterling ahead of today's testimony in Parliament by Governor Carney and several of his colleagues. They'll be discussing the February inflation report. But remember, when the report first came out, the pound fell in response to Governor's comments about it. I don't see why he should change his tune now. I would expect his comments to be dovish and for sterling to fall later today as a result. The rally in the pound overnight ahead of this event sets up a good selling opportunity, in my humble opinion. Secondly, as you probably know, the dollar rose overnight after Philadelphia Fed President Hawker was quoted in an interview as saying that he might be able to support a rate hike in March. That pushed dollar-yen up in particular, as that pair remains the key monetary policy divergence trade. Now, Hawker is actually speaking later today. He could choose to reinforce the message that he gave in that interview and increase speculation about a rate hike in March. There's a possible countervailing force in that Minneapolis Fed President Kashkari is also speaking today, and he's probably the biggest dove on the FOMC. But his bias isn't thought to be representative of anything other than his own views. So, if March rate hike expectations rise further on Hawker's comments, dollar-yen's likely to rise further with them. Finally, the Australian dollar performed fairly well overnight after the release of the minutes of the February RBA meeting. The RBA predicted stronger growth as resource exports rise and the global economic environment improves. The positive tone of the minutes suggests that RBA Governor Lowe may be relatively optimistic when he speaks overnight, and that could push the Aussie dollar up further, particularly against the Kiwi, the New Zealand dollar, which is lagging as milk futures fall. For an update on all the major economic indicators coming out today, please look at my daily market comment on the website, or sign up to get it by email every day. This is Marshall GIttler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.